right, guys, I am in my apartment. Feels surreal walking through. I can't believe I'm here. Oh my god. I guess I'll give like a little mini tour real quick. Ooh, that wasn't the button I was supposed to push. Alrighty, we have the guest bedroom, closet, big windows too, bathroom, guest bathroom. That is a wow. That mirror, love it. Kitchen, love the kitchen. It's beautiful. I'm not a fan of these floors, but it's all good. Patio. Oh, hey mom. Patio, a nice size. Dining space, living room, little area. I don't know what I'm using that for. My master bedroom, extra closet space or linen closet, master bath. It's cute for a first apartment. Oh, I'm really here, y'all. Now we got them actually moving. I'm hungry though. Alrighty, I started unpacking the stuff that I did bring down. As y'all can see, it's a mess because we have to go get cleaning supplies to wash this stuff out and wash the cabinets out, wash everything down. I'm not a huge fan of tan carpet. I'm really not. Or tan floors, but you know what? It's cool, like I said before. Yeah. My mom is out on the court on the patio. Y'all, this lighting is really nice. Like, I really love it. Ooh, I love these blinds. Get some natural light up in here. Keep my energy bill down or whatever. Oop, I forgot to turn off the light in the bathroom. But I can control this from my phone as well as my lock. I can control from my phone and I can do like a little code. So this is just like us setting up. I have to like fully furnish my bedroom first before I furnish this room. Probably gonna put a lot of stuff in here. I have a lot of clothes and stuff, so I'll probably have to get a whole bedroom set in this room just to have some extra storage space because I have a lot of stuff. But all right, I'll be back. It was weird with me talking like that, but yes, I will be back. And y'all, I freaking broke my cute ass cutting board that I got from Christmas tree shops. It's a granite cutting board. Let me see if I can't even switch my camera around when I'm recording like this. Hold on. Like, look what happened to it. I'm sad about that. This cutting board is so freaking cute. Let me see either if I can glue it back or if I can find another one at Christmas tree shops down here. But good Lord, I'm sleepy. I want to go to sleep on the floor. Taking Gucci for his first walk at our new home or whatever. He's calming down. He was freaking out earlier. This humidity ain't nothing to play with, okay? I ain't even get to take my little picture yet, but I am. I need my nail fixed. That looks terrible. Gucci! You gonna get the dirt on the Yeezys? So yeah, we just came back from Walmart. We went and got some cleaning supplies, a vacuum, iron. I'm waiting for the internet people to come to install the Wi-Fi. Then we're gonna go look for some TVs and then install the TVs, and then what else? I just ordered a futon because my sofa won't be here until August. My bed should be here sometime today. I think I found a dresser that I like from Rooms to Go, so I'm going to order that. And I need to see if they have a dining room set so I can just do it all at once. We're going to go to Burlington, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, well, Home Goods. When I say TJ Maxx, I mean Home Goods. Lord have mercy. This is about to be a long weekend. But yeah, y'all see me with the Z5 Finder. And it's a little something going on the internet with everybody versus these Zetas. And it's really sad, actually. Like, the stereotypes that people think about Zetas perpetuates anti-blackness. It perpetuates self-hate. That's deeply rooted. Like, that's hundreds of years of black people being oppressed by white people, and them telling us how we should look, or that we look like monkeys, we look like this, we look like that. And it really needs to stop. Like, if your frat or your sorors, you see them doing what's the word that I'm looking for? If you see them acting in a way that that not perpetuates, if you see them like displaying anything that is not, I don't want to say finer, because finer, that's us, but isn't of what your org stands for, correct them. You need to say something, because this is ridiculous. This is all I see on the internet right now, and it's really sad. We're supposed to be at Boulay this weekend celebrating our centennial, but yet people want to be attacking these Zetas. And when you talk about us and enunciate my T, capitalize my Z, enunciate my T when you talk about me. All right, I'll be back, y'all. So we are out apartment shopping, getting stuff. I just came from Home Goods, and I just got my TV from Target. I have to go find a freaking 55 or 65 inch from another store. Finding TVs these days is harder than I thought. Like, these TVs sold out everywhere. What is the problem? But I'm gonna show y'all some of the stuff that I got when I get back to the house and we put it together. I still have like this long list of stuff that I still need to get. Good Lord, this is a lot. And it's hot out here. I had to like tuck my leave-in into my hat because my hair was curling up. If y'all didn't know, this was quick weedy. So yeah, and it's a line to get into this store. Oh my God, I'm tired. Alrighty, y'all, this is day 2. I'm still setting stuff up, so excuse the mess. My mattress didn't come yesterday, so I had to get an air mattress. I got stuff all over the place right now. We have to go get another TV. Got this really cute coffee table yesterday from Ross. I got these bar stools. Again, excuse the mess, because it is a mess. We have to take this stuff outside. I got like this little cute copper pan, little mini pan. I got these. I got a cast iron skillet, a thingy thing for when you fry. I got this cutting board to go with my, whatever. Got these Pyrex. I have these pots and pans. What else did I get? Some mixing bowls, little bag clips. I got wine opener to go with my stuff. Have some little kitten stuff, because I'm a Zeta. Little soap pump for the kitchen. Coasters, salt and pepper shakers. I need to order some Instacart because I don't have no food yet. Got some drinks. Mom, you want one of these Frappuccinos? I already know what they taste like. I like them. So yeah, we're about to go get some TVs. I got a little TV. Those are my dishes. I got a TV right here. And this bedroom is still empty, aside from garbage. And I just set up my Nest. I have a smart lock, but I cannot get it to work, like from my phone right now. So we're gonna do that. I don't know if I showed the garbage can. Oh, I have this little set for this bathroom.
Did you just lie to the people and say you was doing something with my bedroom?
No. She thinks this is her room.
This is my room.
Get a vacuum cleaner.
It's my room.
Whatever. But Yeah. So we're about to head out. Day 2. Oh, I got this wine bag too. I gotta put my wine on there. That's my box of wine right there.
Go back to the bed.
My mom is, we are out here shopping. How has the experience been so far, Mom?
It's been cool. Busy.
Very. We're tired. Gucci was up all night barking.
Oh yeah, that wasn't cool.
Gucci was gonna get us kicked out the hotel.
That wasn't cool at all.
Luckily, I can't sneak him nowhere, ever.
Ever. Nope.
Like,
He barked at every little noise.
it's
So
a
I
creep.
stayed up from 3 o'clock just to make sure he wasn't gonna bark.
Yeah, every time he go, Gucci, be quiet, please. Kick us out.
I know those people was happy to see us go.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they called the room about 3 o'clock. It's a line to get into Ross. But it's been cool so far. The weather isn't too bad. My mom's getting her hair done tomorrow. She has to get her ends clipped.
I'm not happy about my ends being
She's being a baby. It's hair. It'll grow
baby.
back.
And it needs to be ends. It can't be like.
I mean, unless you do a cute blunt cut, that'd be cute. But then you have to, you know what I mean? You don't gotta wear it straight. But my mom been bald like 10 times, y'all, in my lifetime. And who knows how many times before that? I don't know.
People love my hair. I love my hair.
Yeah, but it'd be healthier if you cut your ends. And my mom went to school.
I'm licensed.
She's a licensed cosmetologist.
I am a licensed cosmetologist.
Does she still do it? No, but she knows better. So
I do know better, but I don't want my hair to be short.
ridiculous. All right, we'll be back. Y'all, I got my TV. It was the last one. And this lady was trying to get it or whatever. But I got it first. Hey y'all, I just had to bring my mom to get her hair done. I just ordered some food from Chef Laz. It's in Smyrna, Georgia. Really good. My ex put me on, but it's still good though. So yeah, we're about to wait for her hair to be done and then go shopping some more. I'm tired of spending money. Good God, I'm tired of shopping. Hi. So yeah. Ooh, I got a lash in my eye. So update, my mom got her hair done. And we are in line for IKEA.
I was flipping my hair.
Oh, sorry. This is the line for IKEA. Oh, you can flip your hair now. Ooh, look at those bundles, girl. No, I'm kidding. That's her hair. Oh. Yeah, look at this line. I've never been to IKEA before. So, this better be like when Adam Sandler made the movie Click and Bed Bath & Beyond.
No.
Or something. Because, what the... Oh my God, this is crazy. I'll come back and update you guys. I thought we didn't make it. I'm like, y'all, after, I don't know how long we've been in this line. Been long enough. But we made it in the store. Finally. It's my first time in IKEA, so let's go. It better feel like Click, the movie Click, or something. All this waiting we done did. Well, you know, forget that. I guess we get a car up there. Yeah. What do you do? Just take the elevator up? Woo! All right, I'll be back. Alrighty. Hello.
Where do you want to go?
I have no idea.
Tell me what you're looking for.
Mirrors.
Mirrors. So they're in the display is right along the wall here. It'll tell you where to find them.
Okay.
Eventually, you're going to end up on the main floor in the warehouse. Pick them out of the wall. They come on a shelf.
Yeah.
So
Oh.
go ahead. I look unless you know exactly the one you want.
No, I
Yeah.
don't. This is my first time at IKEA, so I have no
welcome.
idea.
Good
what I'm-
idea here. So I would start there and go upstairs. You're going to circulate to the floor and you'll see the mirrors.
Okay.
And then it'll tell you a locator bin. And that's downstairs later.
Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, that would be cute. Oh, this little table would be cute for the patio. because I have no idea where I'm going. Oh my God. So we got my furniture. We happened to come across this place while leaving Burlington. Burlington was empty. It looked like a skeleton.
You're not giving me enough camera time.
What do you want to say?
Nothing.
She put my chairs together this morning.
All 4 of them. I'll be
Isn't she
putting
awesome?
more stuff together probably.
Isn't she awesome? So yeah, I got the dining table, TV stand, dresser, nightstand. We are now at Marlowe's Tavern in Midtown. This place is really good. I used to come here with someone all the time. So yeah, I'm tired. She got on her mess. She about to eat.
I'll take it off when you get here.
I wish they had peach tweet. Oh my gosh, that'd be good. Yeah, my hair is sweat now. But great accomplishments today. Gonna go home and rest for a second, and then I just gotta go get some groceries, and then I'm done for this weekend. I've never been this tired of shopping, but I'm tired of shopping, and I need my nails fixed. My birthday's next Saturday. Ooh, hopefully this will be up before then, and I still need my laptop fixed. So yeah, I'm gonna be editing from my phone like I told y'all before. So I'll be back to check in. Peace out. We are at Papados. My mom goes home tomorrow morning. So tonight's her last night. So I'm gonna get some good food. I forgot to record today, but work was good today. Same thing. I got to play around in the EMR. Nope, I'm fine. That was my grandma, but yeah, everything was fine today. I'm going to another office tomorrow. And then I'm off on Friday, so yeah, I'll be back.